6 whistleblowers have narrated their statements over the Priority Development Assistance Fund or PDAF misuse. The 6 whistleblowers who appeared at the Senate were Ben-Hur Luy, Gertrudis Luy, Marina Sula, Merlina Suñas, Arlene Baltazar, and Monet Briones. Meantime, whistleblower Sula, who was one of Janet Lim Napoles' most trusted person, has revealed several properties of the alleged pork scam mastermind.
Ang property naman po niyang personal, yung sa Binyan, 2, Santa Rosa, 2, lupa lang po. Discovery 2502, sa mag-asawa po. City Land, sa kanya rin po yun. Meron po siyang unit doon na City Land.
Senator Aquilino Pimentel III, however, expressed discontentment over lack of details in the information given by the whistleblowers. Meanwhile, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano noted that the cleansing of pork scam issue will continue, saying that all witnesses must cooperate.
Dapat tuloy-tuloy yung cleansing at tuloy-tuloy na kasuhan talaga lahat. No? So the more witnesses, the more hearings, the more na magsalita sa kanilang nalalaman. Hopefully, after yung today, yung ibang mga witnesses na natatakot o yung ibang mga scams sa ibang mga departamento na kung meron pa rin, ay lumabas yung mga witnesses.
Senator Teofisto Ginggona III meantime urged Senate President Franklin Drilon to sign Janet Lim Napoles subpoena.
I hope that the Senate President will reconsider his position so that we can bring Janet Lim Napoles here to the Senate para marinig ng taong bayan ang buong kwento.
For GNN, Vera de Ocampo, News Force.